Founded in 2005, Nathimex JSC, Nathimex Joint Stock Company, is a leading enterprise specializing in wood deck tiles manufacturing in Vietnam. With 19 years of establishment and growth, modern equipment, along with professional production management, and a skillful technical team. Nathimex's ambition: become a prestigious, strip, and international class enterprise that contributes to the global enhancement of Vietnamese brand pride and value. Nathimex's mission: with the motto ensure the business interests of both sides, neither the sellers nor the buyers suffer any loss, we are building a civilized and sustainable business development community with high-quality products and services. We do this by offering outstanding advantages, saving resources, being environmentally friendly, bringing customers peace of mind, and providing resonant benefits. Our team is made up of young, enthusiastic people who are professional, dedicated to their work, and always work together to build strength as the foundation for development. When you visit Nathimex JSC, you will notice the young, dynamic staff's dedication, thoughtfulness, and professional service style. Because people are the driving force behind all development, talent is highly valued, and attracting talent is the company's long-term strategy. Sticking together, uniting, and creating synergy is the company's human resource development mantra. Employees should receive professional and skill training on a regular basis to improve their working efficiency. Make the best environment possible for people to reach their full potential. Wood deck tiles are constructed from acacia hybrid wood. All of the wood products are FSC certified. Nathimex provides a variety of wood deck tiles categories. Nathimex also produces grass deck tiles and plastic deck tiles. Nathimex provides wood plastic composite, WPC. The closed manufacturing process, the specialization in each component, and the high responsibility with the serious and meticulous technical oversight to create the finished goods down to the smallest details are the strengths that set us apart. Including France, Germany, India, Arab, we have exported wood deck tiles to markets in Europe and Asia.